skin like you never even left.
Now, I have used this before, a variation here and there, and I have brought it to my channel, and that is egg white. But the difference this time, I want you to do egg white and honey. Rich in albumin protein, egg white is a great remedy for sagging skin. It improves the skin texture by rebuilding the cells of the skin and making your skin healthy. All you need is 2 ingredients, as I mentioned, egg white and honey, organic honey, if at all possible. The one with the little bear, that one can't quite do the job. You need you some organic, raw, unfiltered honey. I'll have the link below for you to check it out. Get it, and get it for you. Get it for you, okay? Let me tell you how to mix this up. Just mix the egg white and the honey well. Just the white of 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. You're going to do this 3 times a week. 3 times a week. Remember that. Now, I know you're hearing all of these things that I'm talking about. Remember, you make the choice on which one of these you want to do. You don't have to do them all in one night. You can try any of them to see what works best for you. After a few weeks, let me know if you see a difference in things. I bet you will. I'm pretty sure you will. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now. Thanks a million for hanging out with me once again. I appreciate you all hanging out with me. I appreciate my dogs for hanging out with me. It's been a ball. So anyway, I hope you got something out of the video, regardless of what's going on in the background. Please definitely let me know if you did, in fact, get some value out of this video today. Simply just drop a like on it. Hit the like button, put me some hearts down in the comments. You know I love that. And please let me know where you're tuning in from. I definitely would like to know that. So please introduce yourselves in the comments and let me know. I will definitely look forward to reading the comments. And listen, don't keep me a secret. I tell y'all this all the time. Don't you think your friends and family want to know why you're looking so cute? Yeah, they do. So please share me with your world.
Feel the sisterly love. We an aging girl, we season and fine. Like a finished bottle on God's own time. Oh, you. Girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. 2 queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on